Ever stared at an ATM, YouTrip card in hand, and wondered, can I actually pull cash out of this thing? Yeah, I've been there. It's a classic travel dilemma, right? You've got this fancy little card promising amazing exchange rates, but can it actually deliver cold, hard cash when you need it? Let's dive in. YouTrip. The card that's supposed to revolutionize travel spending. It's all about those sweet exchange rates. But can it handle the real world? Can you withdraw money with it? Well, the short answer is, it's complicated. Let's break it down. First off, the card itself is a physical MasterCard. That means, in theory, it should work at any ATM that accepts MasterCard. But here's the kicker, YouTrip is primarily designed for spending, not withdrawing. So, while it can be done, there are a few things to consider. For starters, there's usually a fee for withdrawing cash. It's not a huge deal, but it's something to keep in mind. You're better off using your card for purchases and saving the cash withdrawals for emergencies. Secondly, some countries have restrictions on foreign ATM withdrawals. You might run into limits or even outright bans. So, always do your research before you head out. But let's say you're in a pinch and need cash. Here's how you do it. Insert your YouTrip card into the ATM, choose your language and currency. Enter your PIN. Select the withdrawal amount. And voila, you should get your money. Easy peasy, right? Now, a word of caution. Always check the ATM screen carefully before entering your PIN. There are scammers out there who try to trick you into entering your PIN on a fake overlay. Stay vigilant. One more thing. While YouTrip offers competitive exchange rates, it's worth comparing them to other options. Sometimes, using your home bank's ATM card might be cheaper, especially if you have a fee-free account. So, can you withdraw money with YouTrip? Yes, you can. But is it always the best option? Not necessarily. It depends on your situation, where you are, and how much cash you need. The bottom line? YouTrip is a great tool for travel spending, but it's not a cash cow. Use it wisely. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.